The first privately owned arms and munitions factory in the Kingdom of Yugoslavia was the Visegrad Industry Stankovic AD, abbreviated as Vistad. In 1938, this company built an explosives manufacturing plant in Baric. After World War II, in 1948, the Yugoslav government decided that the Prva Iskra Bazna Chemija company should be established on the location of the Vistad factory. Batch production of TNT explosive began immediately in a two-phase procedure using reparation equipment. Soon, the technology for batch production of hexogen and penthrite was also mastered. The factory development was stepped up with the help of experts who'd been educated abroad. New technology for the production of high explosives was introduced progressively, from batch to semi-continuous to continuous. Prva Iskra Namenska Proizvodnja AD is today one of only a handful of factories in the world with its own technology for the production of high explosives, together with various composites based on these explosives. Prva Iskra Namenska operates from a very attractive location, 25 kilometers west of the Serbian capital, near the bank of the Sava and close to the river routes Sava-Danube-Black Sea and Sava-Danube-Rhine Main. It's also near the major highways Corridors 10 and 11. Prva Iskra Namenska produces all kinds of high explosives to the international quality standards GOST, MIL and STANAG, or to customers' own specifications. The company's production program includes the high explosives trinitrotoluene, penthrite, hexogen, octogen, hexanitrostilbene and trinitroresorcinol, as well as several types of industrial explosive. Trinitrotoluene is highly stable and, compared to most other explosives, is almost completely resistant to impact and friction. TNT is widely used, especially in the military industry. It's most often used in the production of artillery munitions, anti-personnel and anti-tank mines, air grenades, hand grenades, and other kinds of explosive mines, as well as in the production of industrial explosives and detonators. Penthrite is an explosive which is extremely sensitive to impact and friction. Pure penthrite is used in the manufacture of detonators and detonator cords, as well as plastic explosives. Pharmaceutical-grade penthrite, in combination with lactose, has applications in the pharmaceutical industry. Hexogen is extremely strong and when dry is very sensitive to impact, friction and static electricity. Hexogen is desensitized with various types of phlegmatizers to increase resistance to impact and friction. Because of its high volatility, pure hexogen is used for detonators, amplifiers and transporters. As a composite with TNT and wax, it is used for casting and pressing of warheads, artillery munitions and missile assets. Octogen has a very high detonation speed and thermic stability. The basic application of pure octogen is the production of detonating cords, which are thermally stable up to 300 degrees Celsius. Phlegmatized octogen, Ocfol and Octol, is used in the production of explosive charges for anti-aircraft missiles, anti-tank rockets and artillery projectiles with explosive and cumulative effect. Octogen has recently been used in the production of cast, two-based rocket gunpowder to increase specific impulse. PBX is compounded from octagen and a polymer adhesive which increases the stability of warheads. PBX is also used in the production of a new generation of cumulative rocket projectiles known as insensitive munitions. Purowa Iskra Znamenska complies with the relevant standards of quality and reliability as confirmed by the ISO 9001 certificate issued by the Republic of Serbia's Military Quality Control. The company boasts the latest, most modern equipment available, highly qualified staff, know-how and experience in providing many highly specialized measurements and analyses of high-energy materials and chemicals. Its laboratories carry out examination and identification of explosives, propellants and other dangerous materials, as well as a broad spectrum of chemicals. In order to solve the problem of neutralizing stockpiled explosive ordnances and individual unexploded ordnances, we have developed and use safe and eco-friendly delaboration technology for all types of explosive ordnance. Thanks to our technology, experience and abilities, all materials removed are recovered, recycled and reused in various sectors of industry, reducing the impact on the climate and the environment. Along with the production of high explosives and the reprocessing of delaborated explosives, the company has also developed its own technology for the treatment of wastewater, gases and acids, as well as technology for concentrating acids so that they can be reused within the process. In the field of defense explosives, Purowa Iskra Znamenska is well known internationally for its technology transfer for the production of high explosives on the basis of a turnkey system. During the 1970s, an intensive knowledge transfer was begun based on accumulated experience. This included the training of various profiles of foreign personnel, from development and laboratory control technologists through plant engineers and operators to those hands-on in explosive production. It also involves the transfer of projects, equipment and technology for the production of explosives. The development of Purowa Iskra Znamenska is based on constant research and the development of modern technologies, manufacture of high-quality products and highly trained personnel. Thanks to its experience, technical knowledge and a highly experienced team, Purowa Iskra Znamenska has built its reputation as a reliable supplier of high-quality explosives. The wide range of quality products sold by the company around the world, in countries including the USA, Israel, France, Vietnam and Bulgaria, rank it among the most renowned producers of military and industrial explosives in Europe and the whole world.